Hey girl, guess what I heard on the radio today? I heard that your favorite, Mr. Luke Bryan, his favorite Halloween candy or treat is Reese's peanut butter cups. And I said, oh, that's your favorite too. So we're gonna try and make some Reese's brownies today. And hopefully they're gonna be just delicious, and then they can be everybody's favorite. Jazz hands. All right, girl. So if you're ready to rock these brownies like Luke Bryan, I think we better get started. Let's go. All right, so here are our tools for today. You're gonna need some measuring spoons and cups, some small little containers to keep your ingredients in, a spatula, a whisk, a mixing bowl to put everything together. I like to melt my butter in this mug. This is my self-declared butter melting mug. And then when we actually go ahead to bake these brownies, we're going to put them in the square 8x8 or 9x9 baking pan, Pyrex, whatever. And we're gonna actually grease that with some butter first. Put some parchment paper down and then grease it again so that it'll be super easy to remove the brownies after they have baked. So of course you're not going to need this whole stick of butter to grease the pan, but just a little piece. You may also want to grab something like a trivet to set your hot bakeware on straight out of the oven while you check it, and don't forget your oven mitts. And we are also going to use the toothpick once again just to make sure that we can poke into the brownies and make sure they come out nice and fully cooked, nothing wet on the toothpick, baker's best friend. And actually grab some scissors because you might need to cut your parchment paper to fit in the baking pan. Okay, so we're going to start with our ingredients. I have a stick of melted butter. I'm using salted. We ran out of the unsalted, so we're going with this today. You'll be okay with either one. We also have 1 cup of white sugar. We have 2 eggs at room temperature. We have 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Oop, there we go. We also have 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour. We have 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. We have half a teaspoon of salt, and we have about half a cup, well, I used a little bit more than half a cup of some chopped Reese's cups. So I won't tell if you put extra in. Come on. It's almost Halloween. Okay, so what I did was I got a little bit of paper towel and put some butter on there, and first I greased the whole baking dish. Then I put the parchment paper inside and like got 2 little flaps hanging off that side and this side, and then I greased that too. So that means that the brownies will come off of the parchment paper easily, hopefully, and will everything together will come out of the pan. So let's see how that goes. Let's rock this. We're rocking these brownies, girl. We're rocking it. All right, here we go. We are ready to mix our ingredients. We're going to start with our whisk and bowl. We're going to add our melted butter and our white sugar. And we're going to mix this together until it looks glossy. But we're still going to have, you know, some little particles of the sugar we're going to see. That's what you want. Give it a good mix. This is the first time I've ever made brownies from scratch, so it's not too complicated so far, right? You with me? There we go. All right. We're going to add these eggs in once I just mix them up real quick in here. Okay. There we go. Everything comes together in one bowl here. Everything's gonna be in one nice big bowl. All right. Here goes vanilla. I just love that smell of that vanilla. Wow, that's so nice. I love cooking with that. All right. You can see how the consistency's changed already, right? Okay. Now we're going to go add in our flour and salt and cocoa. And the directions say do not overmix this, okay? Here goes some flour. Now it's really time to kick the dust up. That's one of our favorite songs, if you didn't know that. All right. Here goes the flour. We're going to mix it, but not over mix it. All right. We're going to put in some salt. Here goes our cocoa. Kick the dust up. Ooh, yeah, look at this. Oh, this is smelling amazing. Can you see it? All right, let me keep going with this. Luke Bryan, so many big hits. So many conversations, Emma. So many conversations about him. He's a Georgia boy, you know. You know all about it. You know everything. You know everything. All right, let me give this a good mix. I'll be back in just a second. You know, I can tell you, this is already interesting to me because the consistency of this is much, much smoother, much different from like a box brownie mix, which is what I'm used to baking. So this is, I don't know, it's just it's completely different actually. I can't wait to taste these. All right, I'm gonna add in a majority of these chopped peanut butter cups, but I'm gonna keep a few of them out so that I can put them on top once we get these in the pan. Ooh, this is so exciting. I can't wait to try this. We're gonna have to make these together, you know? And the rest of those Reese's are gonna disappear real soon. You know that's gonna happen. Oh, baby. All right. I'm gonna start putting this into our pan. And we'll smooth it out, and I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, so I got the batter in the pan. I'm just breaking up a few of these pieces to put on top here, and I am just getting giggly because I can smell all this peanut butter and chocolate. It's like, you know, they're besties, you know, chocolate and peanut butter. They're perfect together. Oh my goodness. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So these are supposed to last like 3 days if they're not refrigerated. Good luck with that. About 7 days if you put them in like an airtight container in the fridge. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Oh my gosh, I can't not enjoy the way this is looking and smelling. This is just really nice. All right, waste no chocolate. Waste no chocolate. Look. Who's hungry? All right, Emma, you call Luke. These will be ready in about 30 minutes, okay? All right, I'll see you soon. All right, 350 degrees. It's going in. come on over. Okay, now these are supposed to be thick and fudgy brownies. Let's see what 30 minutes did in the oven. Oh, they look so good. They look so good. Ooh. Now I don't want to cut into this just yet. You want to cool them off. Oh, they're so good. They look really good. So actually, here's the thing. I might need to turn the oven back on because I need to test them with the toothpick, right? I'm going to do the toothpick test. So I'll put the toothpick in the middle, and you want it to come out not wet, but fudgy is what the directions said. Okay, so ooh, yeah, it's pulling back on the toothpick a little bit. It's not wet though. It's pretty I think it looks like how it's supposed to look. Huh. Okay. Now I just have to wait. They're going to continue to cook a little bit while they cool off in the pan. So maybe I'll just leave them in there briefly and then take this parchment paper out and then we'll try them out. Okay. Ooh, good stuff. Oh, they are looking good. Look at how, don't you just want to dig in right now? Oh my goodness. If you didn't think these were done yet, you would want to just keep your oven on 350 degrees and bake them for an additional few minutes at a time, maybe like in 5-minute intervals. But I think these are actually, I think these are done. So just gonna wait for them to cool off a little bit. So I have to tell you, I've tried a few bites of these brownies. They are absolutely transporting me to another place. And I was really trying to wait until tonight, but I just couldn't. They smelled so good. And I kept walking by looking at them and I thought, oh, I can't wait any longer. So these are over the top, rich, robust flavor, absolutely delicious. Fudgy brownies, not overly sugary, but you do get that hint of the peanut butter with a little bit of saltiness when you taste them, like across the top of the brownie. Kind of lingers in your mouth. Oh, it's just so nice because those peanut butter cups are tucked into the brownie and then they're also coated on the top. So you're really getting that full experience of the Reese's cups. Wow. If you enjoy peanut butter and chocolate as much as I do, you're going to absolutely love these. And the whole flavor is so much different than a box brownie mix. I'm really impressed with that. And they were so easy to make. One bowl did it all, and no electric mixer required. Just a little bit of work, with a few simple ingredients, and these are decadent, let me tell you. I was trying to wait until tonight so I could say that's my kind of night. But you know what? I promise this is going to be my kind of night and your kind of night. You got to try these. These are just unbelievable. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. You get 2 on that one. It's that good. I've never done that before. Go enjoy these. I wish you were here with me to enjoy them. Oh, Tony, again, thanks for the donation. Everybody, I love you guys. I can't wait. I can't wait to enjoy these things together. Everybody have a good night. I will talk to you soon. This is all mine. But it can be yours too. Try them. Make them. Tell me how you love them. All right. Cheers. I'll see you soon. World's sexiest brownie right there. You can quote me on that.